Hey YouTube, what's poppin'? I'm going to be reviving this wig. You can see this is a fringe wig, but look how it's looking. This is how it looks right now, but in a few minutes it's going to be popping. So if you'd like to see how I revive this wig, please keep on watching. First things first, you need your wig, of course. You need a wide tooth comb. You also need a small tail comb. You need a brush. You need a good shampoo. I'm using the Coconut Miracle Oil shampoo, 𝒃.𝒽.𝒻.𝓉.𝒃, so this is good. You also need your conditioner. You'll be needing a Ziploc bag. You'll also need this. This is the silicone mix. It's used for treating damaged hair and it costs about $5.29. This is optional though, you don't have to use this, but you really want your hair to be truly treated, you need to get this. This works wonders. So let's get into washing. Firstly, I'm going to comb the wig out. Make sure there's no tangles because you have to comb your hair out before putting water into it. This is not coily hair, so we don't have to put a little bit of water before we comb. Now we'll just go. It's done. I'll take it out. Beware, the bag is going to be very hot, so you have to be careful when taking it out. Now I'll take it out and place it on the counter and allow it to cool down before I wash the wig. Now the bag is cool, I'm just going to bring out the wig and wash it off. Feels softer than how it felt before. Really clean. The curls are back up. See, before we washed it there was no curls on the hair, but now the curls are back. The hair is looking really nice, and voila, we're done. After this you would blow dry the hair, or you can just hang it somewhere for it to air dry, and then straighten the fringe part and your hair is ready. It's back to new. So guys, this is wig I revived. This is how the hair is looking. I did cut the hair. I cut the ends, the tips of the hair, and I cut the bangs. So yes, the hair is back. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, Peace and love. Bye guys.